Okay, just wanna. Right, hello YouTube. Right, I just want to take you through the Orski, the latest Orski dash cam. If I get the box details, bear with me. So this is the Orski 4K Ultra HD. Just take you through it, and this is in a 15 plate Hyundai i10. Just installed it. So what we've got, this is our little camera. If I just press OK, so there's the, you can see that is all the way from the middle of that wall there. Okay, as you can see, there's the front of the van, so all the way to the front of the van over there. So that is certainly quite an area. Now if I press the up button, we'll have the rear camera comes in. Press it again, that's the whole of the rear cam. Okay, then you've got a choice of either front, rear only. All right, so that's that. It's very easy to use. If I go menu, you can go into all your settings. Okay, so if I do that, press menu. Okay, start recording again. Front rear cam, all the way rear. Okay, the little dot there means it's recording. Okay, it's got a SIM card in there and it's charging, obviously. The camera at the back, very neat little camera. I'll just go to the back of the little car, open it up. There's the camera mounted in the back. Obviously, no cables. Okay, like that, sits in there. You wouldn't even know. Alright, so that's it. So that's the Orski, the latest 4K Orski front and rear dash cam. Very easy to use, like I say. If I go OK, go into, so I've just pressed OK, that stops the recording, and then I can go up and down using the arrows, loop record, exposure. Okay, like this. Parking monitors obviously got. Press OK again, which gives you menu, time setting. Obviously I've done all this. I like to do it all before I actually plug it in because it makes my arm ache. Right, that's obviously, you can format it. So if we wanted to format it, you just go OK, go down, confirm. That's done. Easy. Right, then we just go menu again. If I can hold it steady. Get to there. Okay, so we're going to keep it like that for the customer. It's got a screensaver of 1 minute, so you're not disturbed by the image, but I don't think you would be anyway. And it's very nice and neat and tidy. It also comes with a self-adhesive sticker and the glass sucker, because I find a lot of these glass mount ones in the summer they just dry out and fall off. These don't. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching.